Panini Prizm Mega Box. Let's get it. 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 Alright, Eric. Cardinals, Falcons, Colts, Jags, Steelers, John. Panthers, Broncos, Packers, Texans, Vikings, Patriots, Saints, Giants, Niners. Matt, Ravens, Bills, Bears, Browns, Lions, Chiefs, Raiders, Jets, Eagles, Bucks, Redskins. Nate, Bengals, Cowboys, Dolphins, Seahawks, Rob, Titans, and Ben, Chargers, and Rams. So my advertise because it's better than that post. Alright, here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. The last box was a good one. Slid a mile. Alright guys, good luck. Earl Thomas, Gallup, Lev Bell, Gillimore for the Cowboys. Lev Bell for the Jets. Noki, Butler, Deebo Samuel, Isaiah Coutler, Houston Texans. Odell, Dexter Lawrence, Kenyon Drake green, Colin Johnson for the Jags. Kenyon Drake. Eddie Jackson, Hawkinson, Bobby Wagner, Chenault. Diggs, Jarwin, Smith, T. Higgins rookie. Alright, T. Higgins. T. Higgins. Kelsey. Burns for the Bills, AJ Espinosa for the Bills, auto. Two Bills here. Espinosa. I'm not sure you say his name, but for the Bills, nice auto there. And you got Zach Moss. And the Zach Mouse. You just got mossed. Dawkins, Murphy, Rookie silver of Trayvon Diggs for the Cowboys. Gross Matos. Okay. Cam Newton, Hicks, Ridley, Patrick Queen. Okay, Patrick Queen. Can I get a hot tub? Nice Claypool. Ogden, Doss, Drew Brees. Nice Chase Claypool rookie. Very nice Claypool for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Pittsburgh Steelers. Chase Claypool. Njoku, Williams, T.Y. Hilton for the Colts, and Enzo Benjamin. Okay. Alright, got Benjamin, Queen, Matos, Moss, Seahawks, Johnson, Cutler, Lev Bell, Gallimore, Drake, Chenault T. Higgins, Espenza, first round. He's a first rounder, right? Yeah. Trevor Diggs, rookie silver, Claypool, T.Y. Hilton. So let's go ahead and mark these down. Alright, Eric, you got the Cardinals. Nice Kenyon Drake. Jacksonville Jaguars. You got the Chenault as well. Bengals, Nate T. Higgins. Buffalo Bills, Matt Mann. Nice auto there. Dallas Cowboys, Nate Maxon. Pittsburgh Steelers, Eric. And T.Y. Hilton for the Colts. Eric. Okay. Plus the base and the inserts. Alright, so let's see here. 5 times for the 5 times. John and Matt both getting free spots for buying 10 or more. John and Matt free spots. So let's see, we got once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Nate Maxon. Nate Maxon. Alright, so Nate, John, Matt. Alright. All getting free spots there. Bonus break. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, every night 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Alright guys. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you.